Okay, you guys, sorry, Charlotte's just like super cranky all of a sudden. But what I'm trying to say is I am going to start listing my stuff on Etsy, but I'm gonna make everything public this Saturday. I was trying to figure out what day I was gonna do. But yeah, I was gonna make everything all public this Saturday. So pretty excited about that. I just have one more thing I'm waiting for. I ordered business cards and all that stuff. I'm just waiting for my stickers to come. Here, Charlotte. Okay. Now I'm all out of breath. Watch out, honey. Hold on, honey. Pick up 5 toys. Put all your stuffed animals in that thing, please. So that's, you can still put the stuffed animals on top. This is what I go through. Then you can't go to Walmart today then.
Can I put it on the couch?
Just put them in there real quick. Put them in there.
I don't want to.
Then I'm gonna shut the TV off and you're not watching anything.
I want to.
It's not that hard, just do it. It's like I'm killing them just to do it. So I'm going to work on my Walgreens breakdown thing, get some breakfast, put her down for lunch, or put her down for a nap, then get dressed, then we're gonna get going. So I think the kids just need to get out of here too. So that is what's going on. So, and then today I'll come back and clean and all that fun stuff, but well, you can make several trips. So hey guys, see you guys back. Oh, it's like a little after 9:30. I just put Charlotte down. Graham has to leave at like 10 tomorrow, so when he goes to work, or I might just leave early, the kids and I are gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna do my Walmart Ibotta haul. So yeah, I have to take the kids with me, but that's okay. I usually have a list of everything that I need, and then I don't need to take pictures of the stuff that I already took a picture of, so that saves a whole lot of time right there. So yeah, but I feel like today was just an off day. I had a friend come over who wanted me to make his sister a shirt, so I made it for him, and he came and picked it up, so we were talking for like a good hour, because I haven't seen him since Black Friday, because I used to work with him. Funny thing is, when I transferred, I used to work at one Menards store. No, Menards, if you guys don't know what it is, it's a hardware store similar to Lowe's and Home Depot, but it's more of a Midwest store. They're slowly expanding out. But when Graham and I got married, I applied to work at the store that I just left about 6 months ago. And I used to talk to him on the phone all the time, because, you know, when we'd have to call their stores to say, hey, do you have this in stock? Do you have it in the stock? So we ended up just becoming good friends just by, you know, talking to each other without even knowing who we looked like. Well, then when I went to that store for my interview, he's like, I gotta meet you. So we like met and stuff. And we've been friends ever since. So that's been 7, 8 years now. So yeah, I don't get to see him much, but him and his girlfriend come to my Christmas parties every year when we have them. So it was just nice, you know, getting to talk. I mean, me and him both said it, you know, it just sucks because we can't hardly invite anybody over. But I decided we're going to have a birthday party for Ben. Even if I invite like 2 or 3, maybe 4 of his friends, I'm not going to invite the whole shebang. Just because, you know, but I want him to have somewhat of a happy birthday, and I will let the parents know. So we're just going to keep it very low key, which is totally fine because I want him to be happy. And then they just figured out what school's doing. It's either full-on virtual or virtual hybrid, which I don't understand the hybrid thing, but he needs to get out of the house, even if it's for once a week. So we'll see. They're still figuring things out. So we got that. I uploaded everything and listed everything on my Etsy page. I just have to publish it all. But I'm going to do it on Saturday. So I'm pretty excited to get that done. I'm like, okay, what else could I do? I'm still trying to figure out like what things to do. I don't know. So once I get that figured out, I'll do it. But the jeweled cups will be available. They're gonna be made to order, and then the Starbucks stuff, whatever I have listed on there. I can make other ones if you guys don't want me to. If you don't want to purchase that on Etsy, you can private message me. I just gotta find these cups. Like, they're kind of hard to find, but if anybody wants them, you know, let me know. Or just wait and see what happens. So I got that. I got all the cards and stuff ready. I got boxes, except I gotta get boxes for this one thing, which I probably should order those anyways. But I just don't want to be stuck with those boxes if nobody buys them. So hopefully they sell. But yeah, and then I'm gonna start selling some more Starbucks, like, you know, cups. I just gotta figure out. I'm probably gonna. Oh, I have that butterfly one that I made a while ago. I gotta post that. And then I think I just might make a couple other things. But yeah, there's a couple more things that I want to do, and I'll get to them. But as long as I just start, because, you know, I don't know when I'll make my first sale. I've already made 4 sales when I had my old thing, so it still says that on there. But I'm excited to see how well I do. Just excited. So yes. But yeah, Ben's hanging out downstairs with Graham. But I don't know, I just had to have a weird day. Walmart, like, the Walmart I went to had nothing. Like, they had some toys, but they had, like, nothing. We went down the aisles, and they still had some clearance stuff in the aisles. But they had just nothing. Either they made their prices go down cheaper a couple of days ago. But I'm not, like, you know, getting upset. I'm just happy that the items that I did find, that my in-laws helped me get those items yesterday. So I was debating on going back to that Walmart today to see what else they had. But not a big deal. I'm going to go to the Walmart that I always go to on Thursdays, or for my Ibotta hauls, because I just know them. I know the employees. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video and probably just lay down. I'm gonna watch TV in bed is what I'm gonna do. I always watch my phone, which I just kind of want to watch just Netflix and chill. You guys are gonna make fun of me, but I want to watch The Kissing Booth 2 again. I don't know. You guys have no idea. Like, I am okay. So when I was like, I think it was before I got my driver's license. I was like 14, 15 years old. The first time I saw Can't Hardly Wait, I was with my friend Jenny, my best friend Jenny. And her grandma was out of town for the weekend, so her grandma wanted us to stay at her house to take care of her cat, I think. So Jenny and I were so excited because we were going to hang out, you know, at her grandma's house all by ourselves, but her parents lived next door. So we watched Can't Hardly Wait. I was talking to Jean about this morning. Can't Hardly Wait was my ultimate favorite, no, not ultimate favorite movie, but it was a favorite movie of mine. I watched it 6 times in one day when I was young. 6 times. So like when I find downstairs. So when I find a movie that I like, you know, there are times where it's like I just want to watch it over and over again. Like, I'm a huge fan of Twilight. I know a lot of people think the movie's stupid. I love vampires. I love vampires. And you know, I watch Twilight all the time. And I know one of you guys, I know she doesn't watch my videos, but I know she's just obsessed with Twilight. She's more obsessed than I am, but I love Twilight. Like, I bought the DVDs, I bought the special cases of the DVDs, and then I also bought it on Blu-ray. So it's like, but that's something I watch probably every other month. I'll watch the series. And then I don't know what other obsession. I mean, I have some movies where I do watch it all the time. But otherwise, yeah, but The Kissing Booth, that's probably the most watched movie I've watched on Netflix. And then also To All the Boys I Once Loved or something. That one's a good movie. If you guys haven't watched that, To All the Boys I Once Loved, definitely watch that one. They also have a second one. I vaguely remember the second one. Why do I vaguely? Okay, so the second one is good, but I feel like it's not as good as the first one. But The Kissing Booth 1 and 2, I think they were right on, exactly perfect. So I'm excited for the third one to come out. And there's also a third one of To All the Boys I Once Loved, if you guys haven't watched that. But those 2 movies are probably my favorite. I also watched, I want to say Nicole Burgess, but it's not. It's, I can't remember the name of it, but there's a girl who's like, you know, a girl who kind of has a crush on this guy. Well, this other girl who's kind of like mean to her sends this cute guy her phone number, and then they end up like chatting, but he thinks he's talking to this like popular girl, and she found out who they're talking to. So it was like a really sweet story. I think it's something Burgess is a loser. Oh, Charlotte's crying. So yeah, so I'm gonna shut up, you guys. I'm gonna let you guys go. Hopefully we'll have a good day tomorrow. I don't know. I'm not like depressed. I'm just in this slump where I don't want to do anything. I don't know if it's just because the COVID's like getting bad again, but it's like I clean the kitchen, I do the dishes, I pick up, and then it's just like, I don't know, I just feel like I'm just kind of blah. And I found my pants. But I don't know, I just don't feel like doing anything lately. I just have more motivation when Graham's home, so maybe this weekend I'll probably have more motivation to get stuff done. But I'm gonna go check on my Charlotte, and I will see you guys early. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.